All right, so with Robert Blaes, we're here at one of the host shop meetings, and we're just talking about the collective brain power of the group and how impactful it's been for you over the years with regards to information, because I know your background, rocket scientist, right? So how's it impacted you?
Being in the group is great because it's like having a board of directors that doesn't tell you what to do, but helps you think out loud and helps you identify what things need to happen and helps you identify a path to be able to accomplish that. They push for goal setting and have taught me not just how to set goals, but how to put the steps in place to achieve those goals. And the one thing that we joke about a lot is that it's an R&D group, and that doesn't mean research and development. That's rip off and duplicate.
That's exactly right.
As Terry Beechler had said early on, it's terrible to start with a blank sheet of paper. And so when you have somebody else's ideas or somebody else's plan or process or procedure, and you can look at that and then you can figure out how to implement that into your own facility. It's also been great in moving to new shop software or digital inspection. We can go into their shop and see how they utilize it and see what works and what doesn't work. And even though we don't come back and drop it in place exactly how they use it, we've learned so much about how it's utilized that we're exponentially more effective at implementing it and making it work well.
Have you seen the power of that also affect different ways that you can think? You say sometimes we don't think outside the box, but I'm sure that some of the influences help you actually think about things you don't normally or wouldn't have normally thought of. True?
Yeah, and that's really true because there are so many different personalities in the group. So now you're not sitting down talking to 3 or 4 or 5 people that are all thinking the same way. You're in a room with 20 or 30 people, or you've got the email or phone numbers at your disposal that you can talk to, and you can find the people that really excel in certain areas and help you think through the process and how to implement it in your facility and even with the uniqueness of your operation.
Just another pro service nugget. See you guys later.